If you've ever wondered how to save your project in CapCut on PC, you're in the right place. In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you the easiest way to make sure your CapCut project is saved properly while you work. And the best part is, CapCut on PC does this for you automatically, so there's no manual save button you need to look for. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this. Let's get started. When you're editing in CapCut on PC, the app automatically saves your project as you go. That means every cut, effect, transition, text edit, and timeline adjustment is stored in the background while you continue working. You do not need to press Ctrl+S, and you do not need to search through menus for a save option because CapCut handles that part for you. So if you're asking where to save the project, the answer is simple. Just keep editing normally and CapCut will save your progress automatically. If you want to make sure everything is safely stored before you leave, the easiest thing to do is pause for a moment and let the app finish any recent changes. Then, when you're done editing, you can simply close the application or return to the home page. That is basically CapCut's way of finalizing your project session. Once you go back to the home page, your work remains saved and you can come back later to continue editing from where you left off. This is especially useful if you're working on a longer video or a project with a lot of layers, because CapCut keeps track of your progress without requiring extra steps. Just remember, if you are changing devices, you should make sure you are signed into the same account so your project is easy to find again. But for normal editing on PC, there is no separate save process to complete. CapCut automatically handles it in the background, so the main takeaway is this. Edit your project, let CapCut do the saving for you, and when you're finished, close the app or go back to the home page. That's all you need to do. If this helped you, please give the video a like, subscribe for more CapCut tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.